Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to cancel AutoDS subscription. This tutorial will be quick and simple. Just make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. Now you want to go ahead on AutoDS, and if you will see this, then you're going to scroll down and you will see manage account at the bottom. So you want to click on it, and from here you will see plans and add-ons and also account and billing. But you will see your plans here. So for example, I have this TikTok plan right there. And now all you have to do is go ahead to your plan. And as you can see, there is cancel option. So you're going to click cancel. As you can see, this action will permanently delete all of your data from AutoDS, including your stores on this plan, products and orders, and so on and so forth. So you can cancel your account or pause your account. So choose either option. But I'm just gonna go ahead, cancel it, choose an issue, and you need to write down too expensive maybe. Let's go ahead and write that down and click next. After that, you can get 15 days of AutoDS for free, or 1 month for free of these. Basically, they will try to sell it to you, but I'm just gonna continue with my cancellation and confirm cancellation. And after that, all of that was canceled. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.